What is up, people? It's Fishing with McFly here, coming to you live from the homestead today. We're about to take it out to the lake on the SS McFly, get it in, hopefully catch a bunch of dinks. To be honest, this lake's full of spotted bass, so we'll see what we got going on here. Other than that, got my doggo in the back there. That's Opie. I don't know if you can see him. There we go. But yeah, we're totally gonna head out there and slay today. Let's get it. So we made it, and here the SS McFly, ready and waiting. Let's get it. I wasn't even recording, and that's usually how it happens on the first fish, right? So let's see, here's our first dink. Oh, little chunkster. On the glass shad wrap. Nice little fat dinker. You know what I'm saying? There we go. Getting into the zone here where we're going to catch our little dinkosauruses. This is the danger zone, the dinkster zone. Dun it. Dun it, dun it, dun it, dun it. Feeling it. I'm feeling it. It's coming. It's coming. Oh, boom. What'd I say? There it is. I felt it. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Feels light. Oh yeah, he's small. Holy Dinkerton. Dink God. Here we go. Oh, calm down, little buddy. Calm down, little buddy. Let's get you out of here. Little bloody. There we go. We're right here in the zone. Oh, there we go. That one feels like got a little meat on it. That one's got a little meat on it. Stay on, stay on. There we go. Bring them in. Nice. Nice. There we go. Looking better. Much better.
go. Another dink. Dink of the day. So we're gonna throw this giant switch bait that I've been catching a lot of, 4.5, 5 pound bass on. Not from this lake, but other lakes, and I'm just curious to see this flat that we're fishing here, if anything will be enticed to actually eat it. So let's see what we can do. Let's give her the old dangle. The old dangle-roo. Crap my pants if we. Oh, look at that first cast. First cast, bro. Oh, that's phenomenal. Look at that. That is phenomenal. Outstanding. First cast with the big twitch bait. He smoked it. He smoked it. Don't shake. Look at that giant twitch bait. Not too big, but surprised to hit that big bait. That's crazy. Totally awesome. Fishing with McFly, man. Let's get it, bro. Alright, guys. We're going to go ahead and pack it in. Call it a day. We got a few dinks, nothing crazy. Maybe like a 2.5 pounder. Lost my big lure, totally threw it, and it just went flying. Line unattached. So that was fantastic, right? Other than that, it was a pretty decent run. But we're gonna go ahead and take it down. Fishing with McFly. Make sure you like, subscribe, tune in, everything. Hit the bell. Check me on the ground. All of that. Peace.